welcome to Penhouse.in YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collector or anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. I am Navi and I am thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review this Sheaffer 9306 model gift set. It comes with a roller ball pen and then fountain pen. In previous video you may saw the Sheaffer same 9306 model, a ballpoint pen and then fountain pen. Now we are going to see this gift set. So it's a perfect for gifting someone. Here is a pen. So today we are going to review this pen. Okay, this overall body is made up of metal and we are going to review this two pen. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe to Penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. This overall body is made up of silver chrome and this is a metal body pen. So here is a pen. One is a roller ball pen, another one is a fountain pen. And here we could see the band. They have mentioned Sheaffer in both the pens. And the finial, it's a flat finial in the top and the bottom. And this clip, yes, it's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this in the pocket. And they have mentioned the Sheaffer brand logo on the top of the clip. It gives a classic look actually. The same way this also. This is a little bit tight clip, but we can insert this into the pocket. Now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this Sheaffer 9306 model pen set. First we are going to calculate the length of this fountain pen. It's a flat finial, so we can easily calculate the length. It's 137.83 mm. In the same way we are going to calculate the length of this roller ball pen. It's 137.92 mm. The minute changes here. We calculate this without the cap. Carries 119.85 mm. The same way we'll calculate this fountain pen. It's 118.54 mm. Now we'll calculate the grip section diameter. Carries 9.61 mm. The same way we'll calculate this. It's 9.82 mm. While calculating the length, it's like minute changes. Okay, now we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Sheaffer 9306 model. One is roller ball pen, another one is fountain pen. First we are going to carry this. It's 36 gram. And then screw the cap and check the weight. It's 11 gram. The same way we'll calculate this fountain pen. Overall it carries 30 gram when comparing to this roller ball. It's a lightweight pen and both the pens are midweight. And this cap carries 10 gram. I'll calculate the overall body. This carries 20 gram and this roller ball pen carries 25 gram. Now I'll unscrew this. Check the weight of the barrel. It carries 9 gram. The same way we'll unscrew this and check the weight of the barrel. Fountain pen with this converter carries 11 gram. Grip section part refill and then this roller ball pen carries 15 gram. Now this converter alone carries 3 gram and then this grip section part, it carries 7 gram. The same way this refill carries 5 gram and the grip section part carries 10 gram. So now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen. When comparing to fountain pen, this roller ball pen is little bit heavy weight. Length also it's little bit difference we could see. And now we'll look into this pen. It's a snap-on cap with same chrome color finish, grip section, but this is not slippery actually. Here is SSF silver surface finish with medium nib. They have mentioned the Sheaffer brand name and it's a usual fit. The same way we'll see in this pen. This is also snap-on cap with same chrome finish grip section. And this is a medium tip with black color refill. I'll show you that. Yeah, unscrewing this. This black color refill. They have mentioned Sheaffer brand name, Sheaffer rollerball refill too. You can also already use Zinnow and Smith refill. That spare is also available in penhouse.in. The same way, now we look into this fountain pen. We are unscrewing this. We'll see the ink system type. And this is a converter. This type of ink system is a versatile ink system, so we can easily refill the ink and out the ink, and we can use different colors and short timings. And the second thing we have saw in the box, cartridges. I'll show you that now. Here is a cartridge, blue color and then black color inks. This will come with this. There are 2-in-1 pen. One is cartridge type, another one is converter type. So now we'll do the writing sample. We'll see which is writing smooth or it's writing rough, and we'll back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this pen set. First we are going to start with this fountain pen. It's a snap-on cap. Now we are going to use penhouse.in manufactured ink. We are going to dip the ink and then rub in a cloth. Now we are going to use, this is violet color ink. First we are going to write penhouse.in. It's violet color. It's Sheaffer. '9306 model, and this is a medium nib size. I'll do the rubbing test. We are going to do the smoothing test. Yeah, it's very smooth. Draw the horizontal line and vertical line. The same way we are going to try with the ballpoint pen. The same way we are going to try with the roller ball pen. This is also snap-on cap, and we are going to write penhouse.in. Yeah, this is also smooth, and this is black color refill. It's Sheaffer. '9306 model, and this is also a medium tip. I'll do the smoothing test. Yeah, it's very smooth. Draw the horizontal line and vertical line, and it's very dark. You can see here, and amazing grip section we have. Okay, now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. Both the pens are writing very smooth and very flow of ink, and that's not slippery. I just love this, both the pens, this pen set. You can also use as like a couple gift set. One can use ink pen, one can use a roller ball pen. That's amazing. And you can also engrave in this pen because it's a metal body. So you can write your couple names or your neighbors or family friends to give someone. You can write their names. That will be a perfect for gifting. So we came to the end of the session. Overall, can use this pen. Both the things are medium tip, but not school students. This is a luxury brand. So office going or adults can use this pen because it's a mid-weight pen, so adults can use. Whether Penhouse is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers of different brands. We are retailing different brand pens like Sheaffer, Cross, Lamy, Parker, Ranga, Ratnam, all branded pens, including the spares are available. And we are manufacturing our own branded pens like ballpoint pens, roller ball, and then fountain pens, including stylus pens. You can also use that as a two-in-one type. And using like this branded pens, you need to maintain it properly. The best way to maintain, first you need to carry a pouch. Always you cannot carry that big box or any other pen box. That won't suit in a pocket too. So that you need to maintain a pouch. According to your pen size, you can customize your pouch. That spare is also available in penhouse.in. You can call us and know more details. And we are manufacturing MDF and acrylic products like clocks, gift items, corporate gift items under short timings and affordable prices. If you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description, kindly see to it, and without fail, enjoy this pen. So until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye. Thanks for watching.